What is up, my YouTube friends? Get it crooked. Gotta cook it there, man. Welcome to another episode, reminder video, questions from the truck. This will be for number 39 of the new year, 2021. We're going to have a great 2021, I know it. I can feel it. Can't be worse than 2020, I can tell you that much. I hope you all had a great holiday, Christmas, or whatever holiday it is you celebrate. And I hope Santa or whoever was good to you, brought you some of the things that you wanted. And you know the whole spiel. How this show works is y'all ask your monorail railroad, railfanning, transit related, and woodworking related questions in the comments below, and I try to get you answers on Sunday's show from either myself or you, the viewers. 2020 was, it wasn't a great year, but it was a good year for model railroading and railfanning. We were busy. We went places. Hopefully the coming year will do the same. Goes to some new places. And, man, one thing I really missed about this past year was the layout tours that happen around this area in the month of November and December. In the past years, I've been to 4 or 5 different layouts over those months, sometimes 6. Don't always film them. Some of them aren't that great, but I missed that this year. It was really it was a bummer, and the shows, but I really missed those model railroad tours. Anyway, enjoy this train. See you Sunday. Be well, be blessed until the next time. See ya. Oh boy, this is interesting. So I'm here at Marcus Hook, Northeast Corridor, Septa station, waiting on this Amtrak, southbound or westbound, whatever you want to call it. I think it's 99. To Roanoke, Virginia. I think it's Penn Station to Roanoke, Virginia. That CSX is working refinery behind me. That was 99. It was NewPort, Boston to NewPort News. Now we got 96. Opposite way. Sorry for the sun. That's it. Couple Amtraks. See ya.